Well, hello there. If you are in Canada on a work permit, a study permit, or if you're here as a visitor, you no longer, at least for the time being, have the option of driving to the Canada-US border and then getting your work permit or study permit or visitor status document renewed upon re-entry into Canada. This practice, known as flagpoling, has been stopped temporarily by the Canadian government as it attempts to address the concerns brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. I'll have more information on this in this video. And do remember to hit the subscribe button and to check us out on our website at www.go.gooselaw.com. Hello there, my name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer. If you're currently in Canada on a work permit, on a study permit, or if you're here as a visitor on a visitor record and your permit or your visitor record is about to expire, then you will need to apply to have it extended. Now, generally that application is made inside Canada and the processing time can be extensive. What some applicants, some work permit holders, some study permit holders do is instead of applying inland and having to face this extensive processing time, they instead drive to the Canada-US border and leave Canada. Upon re-entry into Canada, they then submit their application, a paper application, to the Canada border officer, who will then process their application and present them with an extended work or study permit. This process is referred to generally as flagpoling. The challenge is that the government of Canada has temporarily discontinued this practice because of the challenges brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. What this means, therefore, is that you will have to file your application to extend your status inland within Canada online. And what this also means is that you will have to pay greater attention to the application being filed. You have to ensure that the application is put together thoroughly and that all the required documents and legal arguments are made in order to safeguard against the application being refused. You will also have lost the opportunity to present your application directly to an officer and to make an argument to that officer if needs be, because typically when someone is flagpoling, they have the option of driving, they have the opportunity rather to drive up to the officer who's seated at the port of entry and to present the officer with their documents and to respond to questions that the officer may have there and then. This is less of an option if your application is going to be filed online and being submitted to the immigration authorities within Canada. And so you want to ensure that any application you're making to have your study permit extended or to have your work permit extended or to have your status in Canada as a visitor extended, you want to ensure that that is put together as thoroughly and as accurately as possible. I trust you found this video to be useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to check us out on our website at www.go.gooselaw.com.